this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here for 30 mins. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here. I need my things. I'm outside Pets at home trying to find my dealer. He's in a Vauxhall Zafira, custom rims and a ½ litre engine, but I just keep forgetting. I kinda wanna bell him, but I've already belled him. He gets annoyed with how much I bell him. I just wanna tell him, what is the ETA? I've been here pretending to be on my phone. I got zero data, I'm scrolling notes. Pets at home, but they don't let pets in. I've spent 15 minutes on settings. I'm in the Nelm just looking at bedding for a single bed that I rent in Epping. I'm dreading for him to come, but don't wanna text him. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here for 30 mins. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here. I need my things. Where's this guy, man? Let's get to it. Like, what the fuck is he doing? I see him speeding, driving fast, overtaking cars like Max did Lewis. Should I mention dangerous driving? I think I'll just remind him. He almost killed the guy behind him, but he sells things that I need buying. He said sorry to keep you waiting. I understand that it's raining. I said no need to explain it. I know that your job is draining. He said nah man, I'm not complaining. I've been sat at home just gaming. The new God of War's amazing, and I've been dabbling in. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here for 30 mins. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here. I need my things. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here for 30 mins. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here. I need my things.